People often ask me why I live so high up in the mountains. Let me show you. Looks like that's the last of it. It's cold water. Let me show you something. People often ask me why I live so high up in the mountains. Let me show you. Because it's quite inconvenient, lots of people ask me why I would live in such a rural area. Two of the things I wanted to make sure I had when I found a place was clean air and clean water. And this area has plenty of both, so that's one of the reasons I chose this area. Yay!